In a few minutes, you'll have access to high-quality, over-the-shoulder instructional video content you can use to teach or sell, or to keep your members subscribed to your video membership or learning center, and so that you can be positioned as an educator in your niche, with no work at all on your part. What is the title and the topic? The New Marketer Workshop. Now, this volume stands on its own as a product, but also fits in to our 52-week live workshop PLR. It comes with everything you need to market yourself and the course. High-quality, step-by-step, on-screen, over-the-shoulder instructional tutorial videos, the machine video transcripts, sales material, source files, and sales graphics, and a super high-value limited-time bonus with 30 minutes of instructional MP4 videos. This bonus course comes with videos, marketing pages, and graphics to rebrand and position the course. Now, if you listened this far, you already know the value of solid video instruction created by a veteran trainer and internet marketer. Let's briefly review what you're getting. High-quality over-the-shoulder MP4 videos, companion MP3 audios, full video transcripts, sales pages and sales videos, e-covers and sales graphics, lead magnet page, lead magnet video. We sell rights to high-quality live PLR videos with sales pages, source files, and sales materials. Hit the Buy Now button. Start downloading and using your content. Hit the Buy Now button.